Hi guys and girls, today I'm going to teach you multiplication of a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number in an easy way. Let's take our first question, which is 12 multiplied by 13. What you have to do is, first you have to multiply the digits on the right hand side. That is, you have to multiply 2 with 3. 3 2s are 6. Write your answer here. Then you multiply the digits which are on the left hand side. 1 multiplied by 1 gives me 1. But one thing you have to understand is that you have to keep one space blank in between the multiplication answer which you did on the right hand side and the multiplication answer you did for the left hand side. Now how do we fill up this in the space that we have left in between? We will multiply these numbers in cross now, which means 2 multiplied by 1, and we write this answer, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, and we write this answer in a rougher column. Then 3 multiplied by 1, this answer also we write in the rougher column, and then we add them. What do we get? 3 plus 2, 5. This 5 we have to put here, and our answer for this multiplication is 156. Second example, 12 multiplied by 14. Multiply the right hand side digits. 4 into 2, 8. Write the answer here. Left hand side multiplication of digits. 1 into 1 gives me 1. I have left a space in between which is to be filled now. And how we fill it up? We multiply them in cross. Means 2 multiplied by 1. 2 into 1 gives me 2. Then 4 multiplied by 1. 4 into 1 gives me 4. Now let's add them. 4 plus 2, 6. This 6 will come here, and the answer for this multiplication 12 into 14 is 168. Next is 12 multiplied by 15. The same rule we apply here. 5 into 2, 10. 0 we put here, but as we saw in the first two examples, we were not getting any 2-digit number as our product. But here we have got a 2-digit number as our product, that is 5 into 2 is 10. So what carry over we put in the rougher column, right? Now we multiply the digits on the left hand side. 1 into 1 gives me 1, and leaving a blank space in between. This blank space to be filled up by doing the cross of this multiplication. 2 into 1 gives me 2. 5 into 1 gives me 5. Now I'll add all three of them. Now because 1 was the carryover from the first multiplication we did, and 2 and 5 we got later. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. This 8 will fill up the place in between. Easy? So now let's come to question number 4. Again the same thing. 6 multiplied by 2 gives me 12. In 12, 2 comes here and 1 goes in the rougher column. Left side multiplication, 1 into 1 gives me 1. Space in between left to be filled by the cross multiplication of these numbers. So 2 into 1 is 2. 6 into 1 is 6. I add all these three numbers. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. And I write 9 here and fill up that in between space. Moving further, let us multiply 13 with 13. 13 into 13. So right side digits are 3 and 3. 3 multiplied by 3 gives me 9. 1 multiplied by 1 gives me 1. Cross of their multiplication is 3 multiplied by 1, which is 3. Then this 3 multiplied by 1 gives me 3. Let's add them. 3 plus 3 is 6 and I put this 6 in between. 13 multiplied by 14. Same procedure. Multiply the right hand side digits. 3 into 4 gives me 12. 2 carried over 1 in the rough work column. Left hand side digits multiplication. 1 into 1 is 1. Fill up the space in between by doing the cross of multiplication. 3 into 1 is 3. 4 into 1 is 4. Add them. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 8. So here I have to write 8. 13 multiplied by 16. 3 into 6 is 6 3s are 18. 8 carried over 1 here. 1 into 1 is 1. This blank space to be filled by cross of this multiplication. So this gives me 3 into 1, which is 3. This is 6 into 1, which is 6. So I have 6 plus 3, 9 and 1, 10. Again I got a 2-digit number. Out of this 2-digit number, 0 will come here and this 1 will get added to the 1 already present here. So 1 plus 1 gives me 2. Next question is 13 multiplied by 22. So right side multiplication, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, blank space in between. Fill it up with cross of the multiplication of these numbers. So 3 into 2, 6, 2 into 1, 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 comes here. 12th question. 5 3s are 15. 5. 1 carried over here. 2 1s are 2. Blank space here to be filled how? By cross of multiplication. That is 5 into 2, which is 10. 3 into 1 is 3. Total adds up to 4 and 1, 14. Out of 14, 4 will be written here and 1 will be added to this 2, making it 3. I hope so far I am clear to you. Multiplication we are able to do in a single line, and also there's an advantage in this that if normally I have seen that the children know the tables up to 9. They are quite comfortable in tables up to 9, but beyond 9 they don't learn the tables, they don't remember the tables. So even if you have bigger numbers like 14, 13, 19 for which you do not know the tables, you can still do the multiplication in a single line, right? That saves a lot of time. When you write your exams, time is very important. So saving on time is also very important. So that this is how you can practice this multiplication and save time while you're doing your calculations in the exam. Okay, moving further, I come to the next question, which is 28 multiplied by 29. So I multiply the digits on the right side, which is 9 times 8. 9 8s are 72, 2, 7 here, 2 2s are 4 here. 14 plus 7 is 21, 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So this 1 we put here and this 4 gets added to this 4, making it 8. 29 multiplied by 31. 9 into 1, 9. 3 into 2, 6. Blank space here. Cross multiplication. 9. 3s are 27. 2. 1s are 2. Add them. 7 plus 2, 9 and 2, 29. 9 comes here and 2 gets added to this 6, making it 8. I hope I made this multiplication quite easy for you. I'll give you a few questions here which you can practice, and see if you're getting your answers correct. And you slowly you will get comfortable with this multiplication, but you have to practice a lot. So for practice, I'm giving you a few questions like 39 multiplied by 28, then 42 multiplied by 36, 65 multiplied by 71, 92 multiplied by 18, 38 multiplied by 49, and 47 multiplied by 52. I hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you very much, and I'll definitely get back with my next video on some other easy ways of calculation.